Hey guys, Apparel Drop 2.1 is officially out and available now. Also, we are having a massive Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale, so be sure to mark your calendars and go crazy shopping.
These are my new favorite pants. I got them from Urban Outfitters. They're super flowy and breathable and high-waisted and so comfortable, and I basically live in them now. I feel like I should tell you guys. Been obsessed for probably like 2 to 3 months now with making this chocolate oatmeal that Alicia actually got me hooked on. We got this collagen that is chocolate flavored, and then I use chocolate protein and then like a tablespoon of almond butter, and then I mix it all together and like add like a little bit of honey on top, and it tastes like brownie batter, but like a healthy brownie batter. It goes so well with coffee too. Good morning.
Am I not aesthetic enough to be in the
You are the most aesthetic to be in. You're more than welcome to be in the vlog. Get the shot. So it's my friend's baby shower, and I'm going to really quickly try to put together my gift because I haven't wrapped it, and I'm using old Christmas paper wrapping and a box from Christmas, but it's fine because it's all very neutral, so it works out. I feel like the gift needs a little bit of like a garnish, like a garland or something, and I have this plant that is kind of perfect for the gift. I think this little branch is going to be perfect. Cute. So I have the absolute honor of hosting my friend's baby shower today, and I'm very excited about it. Alicia and I are kind of like cleaning and picking up the house right now, and I am super excited because I have a sponsorship for today's video, which goes perfectly for the festivities for today. We are sponsored by Milk Bar, and what better way to celebrate a baby than with cake? I first heard about Milk Bar from Netflix's Chef Table Pastry Edition because all I do is watch food channels. They are most well known for their birthday cake, but because it's fall, I went ahead and went with the apple cider cake because I think that is just kind of like the perfect flavor right now in the house. The reason I love Milk Bar is because it's so fresh. They basically flash freeze their pastries, and it comes covered in dry ice, so all you have to do is thaw it and it's completely fresh the day that you want to use it. And I'm super excited to share this with my friends today. Milk Bar also has nationwide delivery, so it doesn't matter where you are in the States, they can deliver to you. And for those of you who like to plan way ahead like I do, they have a really cool feature where you can plan up to 30 days in advance in booking your order. They also do overnight shipping, and it tastes phenomenal, and this one specifically tastes like fall in your mouth. Our house always has like people over or parties or just like hangs. There's never like just me and Alicia in the house. It's always like a ton of people. So we're kind of the perfect house to have little things like this in the freezer ready to go whenever we feel like having like a last minute hang or a last minute party or something like that. So whether it's like a party or a hang, or there's something you want to do for your friend who kind of has everything already, like my sister, she's kind of like the worst to present shop, you can get them something like this. Like cake is honestly like the best answer for all things if you don't know what to get someone, or even like an event like this where we're having a baby shower. Like cake is always the answer.
Also, have you had these before?
No. Are we excited?
You've never had
I haven't had those. This is the birthday cake, right?
Yeah, the birthday cake truffles.
Birthday cake truffles. We're very excited. Alicia opened the freezer yesterday and was like, is this Milk Bar? And I was like,
I was gonna have one, and then you're like, no.
She was gonna dive in, and I was like, no, I'm saving it for the baby shower. And she was like, oh. She side-eyed me and gave me a bunch of sass for it.
So good. It's a perfect little amount, you know?
Yeah, Alicia's a fan. So right now, Milk Bar has a special limited time offer. Just use my link, milkbarstore/Ashley, or just use promo code Ashley, and you can get $10 off any order of $50 or more. Again, milkbarstore/Ashley or promo code Ashley for $10 off any order of $50 or more. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue cleaning and get ready for the party.